Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Galaxy A32 5G charger is probably one of the most important accessories you'll need to keep your phone powered up and ready to go, and with so many options available, choosing the right one can be tricky. This video will help you navigate the world of Galaxy A32 5G chargers, helping you find the perfect fit for your needs and budget, ensuring optimal performance, efficiency, and safety of your device. Number 5. Fast Charger 3.0 Wall Charger. This charger is compatible with a wide range of devices, ensuring a fast and efficient charge every time. It's designed for ultimate convenience and speed. It works with your Samsung Galaxy, LG, and Motorola phones. No more worrying about finding the right charger for each device. This charger supports fast charging up to 18W, getting you to 50% battery in just 30 minutes. That's up to 4 times faster than standard chargers. It has built-in safety features like overcharge, overcurrent, and overheat protection. Your devices are safe with this charger. The nylon braided cable and aluminum housing are built to last, withstanding thousands of bending cycles. It's also tangle-free for easy use. It offers both fast charging and high-speed data transfer. You can charge and sync your device simultaneously. You get a fast-charging wall adapter and a 6 feet USB-C cable. Plus, you have access to our 24/7 customer support. What we like. It boasts impressive compatibility, supporting a wide range of Samsung and other Android devices. Its Quick Charge 3.0 functionality ensures rapid charging, getting you back to full power quickly. If you need a reliable and versatile charger for multiple devices, this is the one for you. What people say. The cord is braided and stronger than most aftermarket brands. It seems to charge my Android devices fairly quickly. A big plus of this adapter and cable cord is that it is a braided cord, which I have found lasts much better than a non-braided cord. It's a must-have for me after having so many early problems with non-braided cords. A nice feature of this cable cord is that it is 6 feet long compared to some that are only 3 or 4 feet. This is important when lying in bed or sitting at a table and needing to reach to the outlet with some slack. Number 4. Dual USB-C charger with cables. It works with many devices, including Samsung Galaxy and Google Pixel phones. Just check the compatibility list to make sure yours is supported. It won't work with iPhones or micro USB devices. This charger is designed with safety in mind. It has built-in safeguards to prevent overcharging and other issues, ensuring your devices are protected. Its small size makes it perfect for travel or everyday use. You can easily charge 2 devices simultaneously, saving you time and space. The included cables are made with durable nylon braiding and can withstand a lot of bending. They also offer fast data transfer speeds. You get 2 wall chargers and 2 cables in different lengths. Plus, it comes with a 24-month warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This charger stands out with its dual USB ports, allowing you to charge 2 devices simultaneously. Its compact size makes it perfect for travel or keeping in your bag. If you value convenience and efficiency, this is your best bet. What people say. Excellent chargers for my new Moto G Stylus 5G 2024. They fast charge also. They came with USB cord and AC to USB adapter. As with electronics, power is the thing. These do the job of conveying that power. The purple color makes it easy to know which cable I'm looking for. It is the C charger and works with my other devices needing a C charger. Number 3. Flecom Samsung S24 FE charger. This set includes a fast wall charger, a fast car charger, and 2 durable USB-C cables. It's perfect for keeping your devices powered up on the go. It's compatible with a wide range of Samsung Galaxy phones, including the S24 series and A series, as well as other USB-C devices. Enjoy quick and efficient charging. This reliable charger provides up to 5V3A charge speed. It charges your phone 4 times faster than conventional chargers, getting you from 0 to 75% in just 35 minutes. The car charger offers quick charge 3.0 technology for fast charging, and it has two USB ports to charge two devices simultaneously. It's compact and easy to use. These cables are made with a premium nylon braid, making them tough, tangle-free, and built to last. They're also 6 feet long for convenient use. With Flecom, you get a complete charging solution designed for speed, convenience, and durability. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This comprehensive kit includes a fast wall charger, a car charger, and 2 USB-C cables. It offers incredibly fast charging speeds, getting your phone to 75% in under 35 minutes. If you need a complete charging solution for home and on the go, this is the ideal choice. What people say. They look cool, are easy to use, connect well to my phone and the charging block plugs that they came with. They also seem to charge considerably faster than previous chargers I've had. It fits multiple devices and has a 69 long charging cord. Approximate. It is available in several colors. I like that it also came with a matching car charger that will allow charging of two devices at once. The charge cord on the car charger is long enough to share with those in the second row seating. Number 2. USB-C charger cable 5-pack. This 5-pack of USB-C cables offers fast charging and high-speed data transfer for all your compatible devices. It's perfect for keeping one at home, work, and on the go. Experience ultra-fast charging speeds with these cables. The advanced design ensures stable voltage and current for optimal charging performance. They're built to last with a strong braided nylon jacket and reinforced connectors. These cables can withstand thousands of plugging and unplugging cycles. The 6-foot length gives you the freedom to use your phone while charging, whether you're at your desk or on the couch. The user-friendly design makes plugging in effortless. This convenient 5-pack comes in a variety of colors, so you'll always have a cable handy. It's the perfect solution for charging multiple devices or sharing with family and friends. These cables are compatible with a wide range of devices, including Samsung Galaxy and Google Pixel phones. Check the full list to see if yours is compatible. What we like. This offers 5 durable, 6 feet long USB-C cables in various colors. The reinforced design ensures long-lasting performance, even with frequent use. If you need multiple cables for home, work, or travel, this is the perfect option. What people say. Works fine. Speed is good and the length is a good size. These are perfect. You can charge your phone without removing your cover. Excellent made. Number 1. Samsung Fast Charger Kit. This kit includes everything you need to quickly and safely charge your Samsung device. It's perfect for busy individuals who need to power up on the go. With adaptive fast charging, it can charge your phone up to 50% in just 30 minutes. That's significantly faster than standard chargers. It's compatible with a wide range of Samsung Galaxy devices, ensuring you can always keep your phone powered up. It also works with other USB-C devices. It features multiple safety features, including protection against short circuits, overcurrent, and overheating. Charge with confidence knowing your device is protected. Its lightweight and compact design makes it ideal for travel. Take it with you wherever you go and always stay connected. You get a fast charging adapter, a 6.6 feet USB-C cable, an OTG adapter, and a 1-year warranty for peace of mind. What we like. It provides adaptive fast charging, reaching 50% battery in just 30 minutes. It also includes a handy OTG adapter for added functionality. If you're looking for a fast charger with extra features, this is a great option. What people say. Works perfectly for a quick charge. Extra long cord is convenient. It charges very quickly, and the connector is solid. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.